Welcome to beautiful City of Hope. I just wanted to highlight with you the top 5 abstracts, in my opinion, in the kidney and bladder cancer space at ASCO 2024. I'm really excited about a cluster of abstracts that actually groups really well together. These are presented at this year's meeting and relate to the CLEAR trial, the Checkmate 9ER clinical trial, Keynote 426, and finally Emotion 010. And these abstracts all look at biomarkers in the context of those studies. Specifically in the context of Emotion 010, which is a study that I led, Laurence Albiges is going to be presenting a biomarker called KIM1. This particular biomarker we think may be potentially predictive of recurrence in the context of adjuvant atezolizumab in patients with localized high-risk kidney cancer. This is really important because we realize that the majority of patients actually won't recur with localized disease, so we need to tease out the patients who truly will benefit from adjuvant treatment. The other biomarker sub-studies from Keynote 426 and CLEAR I think are going to be important. These two studies that look at the regimens of axitinib and pembrolizumab and lenvatinib and pembrolizumab are important because we right now don't have an objective way in which to discern what the best biomarker is and how to allocate patients to each one of these regimens. And I'm hopeful and optimistic that with some of the data that we're seeing, we might be able to better partition patients and allocate them to certain therapies on the basis of the presence or absence of specific biomarkers. Beyond the kidney cancer space, I'm really excited about the quality of life data that's emerging from EV302, a pivotal trial looking at enfortumab plus pembrolizumab in bladder cancer. Shilpa Gupta from the Cleveland Clinic is going to be presenting some of the quality of life data associated with this novel regimen that was compared to chemotherapy. I think our instincts are that the regimen is probably better in that regard, but this data will help confirm that. So all in all, a very, very exciting meeting this year at ASCO 2024, and lots happening in the kidney and bladder space.